of SVC variety. In this image, this is inferior vena cava IVC. This is superior vena cava SVC. This portion is left atrium and this portion is right atrium, and this is ASD. This is left atrium and this is right atrium. So this is ASD. You can see the ASD is very close to superior vena cava. Almost nothing remains between SVC and this ASD. So this is called Sinus Venosus ASD of SVC variety. This is bicaval view taken through subcostal window. Again you see this portion is liver, and so probe is placed in subcostal zone of abdomen. This is inferior vena cava joining right atrium. This is superior vena cava joining right atrium. This is left atrium and this is ASD. The next image, apical 4-chamber view. You can see this is right atrium, right ventricle dilated compared to left atrium and left ventricle. This is the TRZ. Velocity of TRZ is not that much significant, so no significant pulmonary artery hypertension. Now you see this right upper pulmonary vein is draining directly into right atrium. This is apical 4-chamber to 5-chamber intermediate view. Now you can see this here. This is the right upper pulmonary vein draining directly into right atrium. Pulmonary vein should drain into left atrium, but it is draining into right atrium. You can see. So this kind of ASD is almost always having abnormal right upper pulmonary vein drainage into right atrium. So that you have to find out. You can see in this image. You can see right upper pulmonary vein draining into right atrium. Again, the apical 4-chamber view, right atrium, right ventricle dilated compared to left atrium, left ventricle. Then we suspect ASD, and in this case ASD is not easily seen. You have to make a special view, that is bicaval view. In that view you can easily find out ASD. Now you see this. Again, this is IVC. This is right atrium. This is right ventricle. So this is tricuspid valve. This is left atrium. This is ASD. And this is superior vena cava. Now you can see the flow of left atrium going into right atrium through this ASD. At the same time, flow is also coming from superior vena cava into right atrium. So flow from superior vena cava and flow from left atrium, both are coming together into right atrium. That is why we call it sinus venosus ASD of SVC variety. Now you see the easily. So this is the point that you have to remember. Again, the next view is same thing. This is bicaval view. So bicaval view means you are saying both inferior vena cava and superior vena cava in one view. This is right atrium, this is left atrium, this is ASD, this is SVC, this is IVC. Same view with color, flow. Now you see this is bicaval view. This is inferior vena cava, this is superior vena cava, this is left atrium, this is right atrium, this is ASD. Flow from left atrium, flow from superior vena cava is going into right atrium together. So that's why we call it sinus venosus ASD of SVC variety.